The elevators first. Please do take a look around, ensure you have all of your personal belongings with you. Also, a reminder that crossing station tracks is both dangerous and prohibited.
Good afternoon. This train is headed to Richmond Hill, and we're making every stop along the way. On arrival in Richmond Hill, this train is going to be out of service. Unfortunately, due to platform restrictions, all of the doors are going to be opening up at Richmond Hill. If you wish to get off at Richmond Hill and find yourself in the following cars, the doors will not be opening up. They are car numbers 216 or 2601.